Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have an account, so start by opening Google Sites and picking a template or a blank canvas. Create your top-level pages now, Home, About Contact, and name them clearly. Upload brand assets like logos and a 16:9 hero image, plus concise page text for SEO. This saves time when laying out sections. Once done, set the site title and navigation style so edits stay consistent, and make sure your primary content hierarchy reflects visitor priorities. Now focus on detailed layout. Add a full-width hero with a clear headline, then stacked or two-column sections for features and testimonials. Insert Google Drive files, an embed block, or an image carousel to keep content dynamic and minimize manual updates. Define a simple font pair and a 2-3 color palette for visual hierarchy, and use component padding consistently. Once you position elements, switch to mobile preview and tweak spacing, so text remains readable. Finish by configuring site settings. Set a custom domain, review sharing permissions, and add SEO meta descriptions for each page. Connect Google Analytics and Search Console so you can track traffic and indexation. Plan regular content updates to keep rankings. Publish and test links, forms, and mobile behavior. If something goes wrong, first clear the browser cache and test in incognito, then check image dimensions, collapse sections, or any injected CSS that might override defaults. These fix most layout failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.